We're back now to give you the legal edge, and joining us as always is Bryan Waldman from the Sinas Dramis Law Firm. Late last month, the U.S. Supreme Court heard a case involving the legality of an Indiana civil forfeiture law. Now, those laws are hotly debated right now, not only in courts, but by state lawmakers across the country. So, Bryan, what is a civil forfeiture law?
Siobhan, a civil forfeiture law is a procedure where law enforcement or police are able to take property, personal property, of someone suspected to be involved in a crime and keep that property.
So when you say take, do you mean while investigating or for good?
Well, they take it while investigating, and then they petition a court and are oftentimes allowed to keep it for good, to either use it or sell it and keep the assets.
Really? Is there a civil forfeiture law here in Michigan? And if so, how does it work?
Yeah, there is. I mean, every state is a little different. Michigan's civil forfeiture law allows assets or property to be seized if it's used or comes about as the result of a crime involving illegal drugs. And when that happens, the police can seize those assets or take those assets, go to a court, ask for permission that it be seized or kept so that they can then use or sell that property and use the assets for their own.
Does the property have to belong to the person who's accused of the crime?
It doesn't. And that's an interesting thing. So if a parent loans their car to a child, the child picks up a friend and they drive somewhere and the friend buys illegal drugs. Technically, that car is being used in a crime involving illegal drugs, and it could be seized.
Oh, ouch. Does the person have to be found guilty for, the government to be able to keep the belongings?
Very important and very controversial part of the law. And so the answer is no, it doesn't.
You can just be suspected of a crime.
Absolutely. You can be suspected, and it's very controversial. If you take a look at the statistics from 2017, 13 million in assets approximately were seized by different law enforcement agencies in the state of Michigan.
Wow.
Of those seizures, 736 times the person was never charged with a crime, and an additional 220 times a person was found not guilty, but yet their assets were seized.
Man, interesting stuff. I wasn't aware of
most people
of that.
don't know about that, but it's important and it's a controversial topic.
Civil forfeiture law. Thank you, Bryan, for giving us the legal edge.
Thank you.